This quick video, I'm going to compare the Nikon Z6 III with the Sony A7 III. So first we're going to look here on megapixels. Nikon got only one more megapixel. Then sensor type is better for Nikon, and also ISO range you're going to have a better for Nikon, but not by much. They got both lens mount, both got image stabilization. The screen type is better for Nikon. You can see it right here. Then also electronic viewfinder resolution, and then continuous shooting speed, also Nikon, and then video resolution also, and high speed video also. So and then weight is better for Sony. So when we can look here on some stats here, so stack sensor, video record limit, pre-shooting buffer is better, viewfinder is better, then ICO, the LCD screen size, continuous shooting, max video resolution, top LCD. So in many of these things, the Nikon is better, and the Sony is better in number of focus points, battery life, weight, and NFC connection. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.